everybody, welcome back to the channel. This just blindsided me today. I got, not this didn't blindside me, but this box here blindsided me, and it says open on camera. This is my friend Paul Olson. He sent this box. But first I want to start off with this. Thank you to my friend David Carranza. I just got it in today, David, so this one didn't take near as long as the other one from July. David, thank you so much. I know we texted today, but anyway, still, thanks, man, for your encouraging letters. Love them. Keep them coming. I really appreciate it. So, my nephew Tyler, anytime he goes to an antique store, he says, Uncle Matthew, he'll send me a picture. Are you interested in this? He sent me quite a few pictures this last. He was in Virginia, actually, is where he was at. He lives down here, but he was in Virginia at a cabin. And I said, yes, that's it right there, Tyler. I built this kit as a kid. And I said, is it all there? He opened it up, and he said, it looks like it's all here. And I've looked it up, opened it. It's perfect. The decals even look great. Now, there's no covering. I mean, covering. There's no, it's not shrink wrapped. And the box is a little dirty. I think it actually could be cleaned, but I probably would just leave it just like it is. But I had this kit as a kid. I built this one, the Steve Kinzer Sprint Car World of Outlaws. And then you can get these others. I've got this one. I think I've got one of them. Yeah, I've got the Steve Butler. This is Sammy Swindell. I've got the Steve Butler, and then I've got a number 11 Ford, but it was either this one or this one that I built. I'm pretty sure it was the 11 Steve Kinzer. I think I've got pictures of it. But anyway, really nice kit, and got it for $20. I mean, these are nice kits. These are jam up when it comes to 1987 too. But these are jam up when it comes to detail and just a great building kit. These are nice. So I thank my nephew Tyler for picking this up for me, and really appreciate that. That is awesome, and I can't wait to see it up there next to its cousins on the shelf. Alright, so this package showed up. It was in my mailbox today, and it says open on camera, and I'm going to do it. So Paul Olson, if you remember watching some of my other haul videos, he's the guy who sent me this. So the stock car. So that him and Doug over at Douglas Model Garage Videos, they've both sent me build-ups. And I got the one from Jason Hanscom that's behind me in the case. So those are the only three that I have from someone else, as far as I know, that I didn't build. Obviously my kids' stuff are in the cases, but this is what Paul built. And so I wanted you to be able to know who I'm talking about when I say Paul. I should have got Doug's out, the General Lee that he sent me when I did his. I totally forgot about it. Sorry, Doug. But anyway, I'm going to open this up. I am curious because it's making some weird noises. Let me see if I can get the camera a little higher. That way you can see my... Nope, I can't because it's as high as it's going to go right now. I'm not going to readjust. It'll be okay. We'll get it opened. Alright, so let's open this baby up. I'll do it like this. I ain't got a clue. Almost can peek in there though. You can almost peek in. Paul is a great guy. I've bought a model kit from him. He has gifted me others, and he has got a lot of tape on there. I don't cut too deep because I can see something poking its head through. I don't even think yeah, it is. So when I get these, as soon as I get home, I'm getting the camera out because I'm like, I want to see what's in the box. It's like, man, it's so wonderful. You guys, honestly, this community is, oh my, is awesome. Okay. Oh, I see what he's saying. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. I got it upside down. Let's flip it. See if everything falls out just like it's supposed to. 35 Chevy modified. Before, it's there. Sometimes, you know, if somebody's going to send you something, they may send it in a box, and you just think that's what you got. That's it, brand new. 35. Well, it's not brand new, but it was AMT Ertl. Paul, you took care of this one, buddy. This one is really shiny. Model King, 35 Chevy modified. RC2. So this is 2004. RC2 was, I believe, a Chinese company that owned AMT. Thank you. That is cool. Let me look at that real fast. I don't have a modified model kit. It's a bunch of roll bars, side panels of the car. That's cool. I'm gonna have to build this. Surely gonna have to build that. That's cool. Thank you, Paul. And Blue Max Schlitz. I'm reading the box, making sure that that's not. This is the Billy Meyer Chief Auto Parts 711 Mustang. Gosh, this is cool. Limited edition, 1 of 5,000. That's what it is. Too cool. Look at that. I know some people in particular, whenever I show this, that they're drooling. One of them would be Jason Hanscom at the Blue Ox Model Shop. Another guy would be Tony Lancer, but it's not wrapped in plastic, so I don't know if Tony would want it. I'm just joking, he would. That is, but I don't have any funny cars. This would be it. It just happens to be a Ford. So this is a 1997 re-release of about a 19, let's see, I don't see a year on here. I probably could look. I'm just going to take a quick guess of what that Mustang year. I'm going to say like 82, maybe 19, closer to 1980. Oh man, it's even got like a certificate of authenticity, because it's 1 of 5,000. Let's see if I can find a year here. I don't see a year of what the car would have been. It does say Billy Meyer. Talks about the car, 2,500 horse. How far Top Fuel has come. I remember going to the Gator Nationals back in the late 90s, and they were 6,000 horse around that time, and it was amazing. I'm like, that dude, that engine has got as much power as a locomotive, you know. That is so cool. I can't wait to dig in. I'm gonna do a box opening on this one. But yeah, Top Fuel now, they're pushing like 12,000 horsepower, and this was 2,500, and that was, you know, the end of the world. So gosh, this is so cool. I am shocked. Too cool, man. I gotta get with some of you decal experts. Those had some yellowing on them, to know exactly what to do to be able to save my decals. Okay, there's more kits in here. I didn't even realize it. I'm sorry. I know there's a tool here, and I know what tool this is. Look at this. So you know that I know exactly what this is. I've seen these. It is a rotisserie for your car. I've seen Lucas C have one, and oh, he's got a note on here. He says you can use this to paint the details on the car chassis. I found it useful and had two. Well, thank you so much, Paul. Man, you guys, I don't want to just single Paul out, because Paul's not the greatest, but Paul is great. At this moment right now, Paul, you're awesome, because this stuff is This stuff is just so cool. You can so how this works, I don't know if you guys have ever used one. I'm not going to actually demonstrate live, but because I don't want to mess it, like break the bumper off or anything. But so you can set the width how you want it, and then one end is spring loaded like that, so you can take your chassis and you can put it right in there however you want, wherever it fits. Put it in there, kind of tighten it up, and that way you can turn and move it and use, you know, paint the bottom or whatever without touching it. So you could rotisserie the car. Too cool. Thank you so much. Honestly, I can't say that enough. You guys are the best. There is 2 dog kits in here. A Revell, Austin Healy, and this is no repop. I can already tell you. Not at all. This says copyright 1958. Now they're good at making them look old, but I am pretty sure that this is old. Now what's in it, I ain't sure yet. Yep, that's it. That is it. Holy cow! I'm not gonna. No, we're gonna do a box opening. Dang, that is amazing. Amazing. 1958. 1958. Authenticity is the tape on the box. Revell tape. That's it. That's old. Austin Healy. Popular British sports car, 106. Spare tire and battery in trunk. Hood and trunk hinge. Bucket seats tilt forward. Authentic wire wheel detail. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to open this up and do a box opening. Look at the other kits they had at the time. You know, I've seen that kit built. It's crazy. Look at that Volkswagen, what, a 23 window or something like that. Too cool. Paul Olsen. You shouldn't have, man. Well, you should have, but you shouldn't have. Look at these. Too cool. And there's one more in here. Most of you guys are going to turn the video off when you see this. You're going to just absolutely turn the video off, but just bear with me, okay? Some of you guys actually just got excited because I know, like Troy Roberts, my buddy Troy Roberts, he builds both. He likes tanks and he likes cars. And I do have a tank. It's right over here in my display case, and I think it's got the least amount of views. I'll show you the 2 videos that have gotten the least amount of views, guys. So this motorcycle right here, although it's a cool Tamiya kit, got like the views were so low. And then there's my little Sherman tank right there, and I even weathered it and everything, and it's just like nobody wanted to watch it. Poor guy. I feel bad for both of those videos. They just didn't get the attention that they deserved. All right, the box is empty, and this is a U.S. Marine battle tank M1A2 Abrams. I know they've had a bunch of different models of the Abrams tank, and I know those things are bad to the bone, but this is a Tamiya. You know it's going to be a great build. I said that like I'm going to build it, but anyway, you know it's going to be it would build great. How about that? And I'm not saying I wouldn't build it. I will go ahead and open this up and check it out real fast, since it's already out of the plastic. So I bet some of my viewers, some of you have actually driven or ridden in an Abrams tank. I know a guy who was a Abrams driver. I don't know what you call it. He drove it. And you know, all right, so my camera, my memory ran out of my camera, so I'm going to use my phone to finish this. But anyway, I know what I was saying when the camera cut off is, oh, so this actually has, oh no, the tracks are right there. No, that's metal. The tracks are actually plastic. How do you like that? I noticed that some of the bigger channels on YouTube that do model building are armor and airplanes. I think there's a larger audience for those, and model cars are somewhat of the anomaly. and some of you guys would probably disagree heavily, but that is the truth. If you wanted to start a YouTube channel and you wanted to do it solely for views, you would probably be smart to do a airplane or armor channel. Now I know that totally goes against everything about us, but I think there is a larger audience. Do I want to solely build airplanes and armor? No. I love cars, but those are cool too, and planes are cool. I just bought a plane the other day, and I might one day build one. Some of you guys actually say, hey, I would watch it if you built it. Well, you might be by yourself watching it, because I think most of the guys wouldn't. So I'm always kind of hesitant on even considering the idea. But anyway, Paul Olson, thank you so much. David Carranza, thank you for the letters. Tyler Boggs, thank you for the Steve Kinzer, although he expects I'm going to pay him for it. But, and I will. But thank you guys for your support. This is just amazing. I never expected to come home today and experience Christmas again. And I'm thankful, guys. Thank you so much for all you do for me. I hope that my videos are in some way giving back. I try, but I feel like I'm very insufficient at that. You guys do so much more for me than I do for you. But anyway, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscription button, like the video, check out Hobby Nut Models. Go over there, check Mark's inventory out, grab you some supplies, a model kit, whatever you may need for this hobby. You can even buy a tank over there, believe it or not. Airplanes too. Go check that out. Spring Store, thank you guys that have bought t-shirts, coffee mugs, stickers, and other things that are on there. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget the Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group, and the Patreon page. Thank you to my Patreons. Hadn't done much here lately. Gotta get on it. I know you guys expect something for your contribution, and I really appreciate it, and I want to give back. And we'll have that soon. All these things that I've mentioned are linked in the description of the video. And hey, we're done. Thank you so much for all you guys' support. Thank you to Paul. Thank you to Tyler. And I'm done. So we got to see you later on the next video. What if it was another box opening? I don't know. See you guys later. Bye.